Good morning everyone. I'm Shashank Dadhish from the Department of Electrical Engineering in Arya College of Engineering and IT. We are going to discuss about the thermal relay in this lecture. We know a relay is basically a sensing device which senses any abnormal condition or any unbalanced condition and generate a message to circuit breaker. Thermal relay is overload relay which is used in the conjunction with a contactor to protect electric equipments. This type of relay operates on the principle of thermal effect of electric current. The basic working principle of thermal relay is that when a bimetallic strip is heated up by a heating coil, carrying overcurrent of the system is bent and makes normally open contacts. Constructions of thermal relay. The construction of thermal relay is quite simple. It has two bimetallic strips or two metals, metal A and metal B, in which the metal A has lower coefficient of expansion and the metal B has higher coefficient of expansion. When overcurrent flows through the heating coil, it heats up the bimetallic strip. Due to the heat generated by the coil, both of the metals are expanded, but expansion of metal B is more than expansion of metal A. Due to this dissimilar expansion, the bimetallic strip which bends towards the metal A. Here is the basic construction or basic diagram of a thermal relay. The heating effect is not instantaneous. As per the Joule's law of heating, the amount of heat generated is H proportional to I square RT, where I is the electrical resistance of the heating coil and T is the time for which the current I flows through the heating coil. There is the basic comparison of thermal relay before tripping and after tripping. You can see here there are the normal open contacts before the tripping, and after tripping there is a closed contacts. Under normal operating condition, the strip remains straight, but under the action of fault current the strip is heated and then tension of spring is realized. Thus the relay contacts are closed, which energize the trip circuit. The construction of bimetallic element consists of two nickel alloy steel strips. These strips have a high heat sensitive and are free from thermal secondary effect from other effect. These relay are mostly used for protection of low voltage squirrel cage induction motors or DC motors. The limitations of such relay is the short time overload withstand. Its heating element is usually designed to withstand short time overload. Heat generated by the coil is directly proportional to the time during which the overcurrent flows the coil. Hence, there is a prolonged time delay in the operation of thermal relay. That is why this type of relay is generally used where overload is allowed to flow for a predetermined amount of time before it strips. For overload or overcurrent falls down to normal value before this predetermined time, the relay will not be operated to trip the protected equipment. Thank you. In next lecture we will discuss about the overcurrent protection and its relays. Thank you.